In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import PostgreSQL to Metabase 2026 step by step. By the end, you'll have your PostgreSQL data available inside Metabase, so you can start asking questions, building dashboards, and sharing insights with your team. First, open your browser and go to your Metabase workspace. Sign in with an account that has administrator permissions, since connecting a new database is an admin task. From the home screen, you can get to the admin area using the settings or gear icon. If you're already in admin, you're in the right place. The goal for this step is simply to land inside Metabase, where you can manage databases and connections. Next, choose PostgreSQL as the database type you want to connect. In the admin section, head to the databases area and look for the option to add a source. When you see the list of supported databases, select PostgreSQL. This tells Metabase which connector and configuration fields to show you. If you don't immediately see PostgreSQL, make sure you're in the databases page of the admin panel and not viewing an existing connection. The add flow appears when you start creating a new one. Now click on Add a Database to open the setup form and enter the required connection details. Give the connection a clear, human-friendly name so teammates can recognize it later. Provide the host or server address for your PostgreSQL instance. The port 5432 is common unless your organization uses a custom port. The database name you want Metabase to use, and a username and password with read access to the schemas you plan to analyze. If your organization requires SSL, enable it here. Many teams do this to protect data in transit. Some environments also use SSH tunneling or advanced connection strings, which you can configure in the same area if needed. If prompted, choose which schemas Metabase should include, and consider limiting it to only what you actually need to keep browsing fast and tidy. You can also customize sync and scanning behavior. The initial sync pulls tables and fields, field value scanning powers, filters, and dropdowns. A daily or hourly schedule usually balances freshness and performance well. Before saving, double-check that your database allows inbound connections from your Metabase host and that any firewall or allow list includes the correct IPs. When everything looks good, save your changes. Metabase will test the connection and begin syncing. Once the sync completes, you'll be able to explore your PostgreSQL tables, build questions, and add them to dashboards. If the connection fails, review the host, port, credentials, SSL requirements, and network access, then try again.